Alright, what up guys? So today I have experienced my crashing problem on my PS3, and I've figured out one of these solutions you can do to try to help this, and that will be removing your DVD disk drive. First thing you want to do here, just slide your top cover off like that, just comes off, and then there will be a screw here, 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 and here. And then you just remove the screws. This top part pops off, and it should look like this. So the crashing problem I'm having here goes turn on. Bam, right there. Won't turn on. So flip it off here. Unplug it. Get out of there. That's okay. Okay, and then you're going to want to remove your disk drive. Just like that. So, there's this cord right here. It's connected. You don't need to push anything down. Just going to slowly pull it out. And then the second thing is, so open that up. Let's see if you guys can see this here. Then there's like this little lever thing. And you just like flip that up, and this whole thing just like comes out. And bingo, that is now removed. Yeah, hold on a second, let me plug this guy back in. Oops. Plug it back in. Yeah. Switch back on, and then there's this. Still does that. So if that still happens without your disk drive, then it will be your hard drive, and that is this right here. That you can do by just turning it around, and you'll have this little guy right here. Just remove the blue screw. Snap, hold on. Come on. It's like a super pain to get out. Alright. Take the blue screw out, slide this back, then just pull it straight out. And then that'll be your disk drive. That's the only other things I can think of right now. Yeah. Let me know what you guys are thinking too. So yeah, rate, comment, subscribe. See ya.